Hello everybody, this is Virginia from Keep On Keepin' On, and I have discovered something really neat. The Blythe Intaglios. They look neat from the ground, but nothing compares from up high in the sky. So let's take the drone up and I'll show you what I mean. They are really beautiful. When I captured these images, I did not realize there was more Intaglios than what I had caught on film. So I'm going to have to come back when I charge my drone batteries. Let me tell you more about this site. The Blythe Intaglios site is listed on the National Register of Historic Places and is one of the most well-known geoglyph sites in the country. The anthropomorph seen here, which I don't know if I pronounced that right, is 171 feet tall. After the Intaglios were photographed in 1932, they sustained devastating damages from off-road vehicles. And to finally preserve these wonderful pieces of art, in 1974, fences were put around them. And here's more information on Wikipedia that you can look up for yourself. And yes, since it was a wonderful day, we might as well bring out the metal detectors. This is our friend Deb's very first time metal detecting.
Right in here. Nope. Still there. Nope.
What's this?
I don't know. No.
It did go off in the...
It's in there.
Not easy.
Nope. Still in the scoop. Nope. Nope. Still in there. Nope.
Bullet. Found your first bullet.
She found her
All
first
right.
bullet.
Found your first bullet.
Yay!
Cool.
You found your first bullet.
That's lead.
Still going off. Nope.
Well, we didn't find any gold, but we did help clean up the environment with all the trash we found. That's all that matters, and any bad day metal detecting isn't a bad day if you really think about it. You're out there in the fresh, clean air, and look, I found this neat little spider beetle, which some people call a blister beetle.